A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to share this one row repeat reversible crochet pattern with you, and it looks like this from one side and looks the same on the other side, so it's great for blankets, cardigans or scarves, and it's just a one row repeat. What we're going to be doing is just working a foundation row upon which we will be working the first pattern row and then just repeat after that. And we're going to be using a multiple of 5 chain plus 1, so you can make it as long as you want. So as long as you have a multiple of 5 plus 1. So I'm just using for the tutorial, I'm just using some Knitwise Hero 8-ply yarn, which is an elf green. It's a lovely soft yarn to use, and I'm using a 7mm crochet hook, and I'm using 2 strands of the Knitwise yarn together, the 8-ply. If you want to use just the one strand of 8-ply, then you can just a 5 or a 5.5 or 5.5mm crochet hook will be just fine for that. I like to work with 2 strands just to make the blankie chunky, cuddly and soft. So I'm just going to start off by making a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 15, which is a multiple of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So I have my multiple of 5, and I'm just going to chain 1 extra. So I have the multiple of 5, which is 15, plus 1 extra chain. And I'm just going to be not using the first or the second chain from the hook. Into the third chain from the hook, I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and the 2 chain we missed counts as a stitch and as the turning chain. I'm now going to chain 1, 2. So I've worked 3 double crochet into the third chain from the hook and made 1, 2 chain. I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work a single crochet. I'm going to miss the next 1, 2 chain, and into the third chain I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to chain 1, 2. I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work a single crochet. Then I'm going to miss 1, 2 chain, into the third chain I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and then chain 1 and 2. I'm going to miss the next chain, into the following chain I'm going to work a single crochet, and I'm left with 1 chain, the last chain. I'm just going to work a double crochet into that. This is just the foundation row, and we'll be working the repeat pattern row on the foundation row. So it just looks like that. So for the pattern row, I'm going to chain 1, 2, and these 2 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain. I'm going to miss this first stitch and the second stitch, and into the 2 chain space I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3 double crochet. I'm going to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to miss 1, 2 stitches, and around this last double crochet of the previous round I'm going to work a front post single crochet. And I'm going to miss the next stitch. Into the 2 chain space I'm going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. And I'm going to chain 1, 2, and I'm going to miss 1, 2 stitches around this stitch here, the third stitch of this 3 double crochet cluster of the previous round. I'm going to work a front post single crochet, and I'm going to miss this stitch here, and into the 2 chain space just work another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2. I'm going to miss this first, this stitch, the next stitch, and around this double crochet of the previous round I'm going to work a front post single crochet. So I'm left with my 2 chain of the previous round, which is the turning chain. I'm just going to work a double crochet into that 2 chain space. If you want, you can just work your double crochet into the second chain. I just like to go underneath and just work the double crochet that way, and that's your pattern row, and we just repeat that for as many times as you want. I'll work another row with you. So chain 1, 2, the 2 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain. I miss that stitch, and work 3 double crochet into the 2 chain space. So 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to chain 1, 2. I'm going to miss this stitch, the next stitch, and into the third, around the third double crochet of the previous round I'm going to work a front post single crochet. I'm going to miss this stitch here, and into the 2 chain space I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, just 1, 2 chain, we miss this stitch, that stitch, and into this third double crochet of the previous round, a front post single crochet. And we miss this stitch here and just work 3 double crochet into the 2 chain space. So 1, 2, 3. Then just work 1, 2 chain. We miss this stitch, the next stitch, and around the third stitch work the front post single crochet. And we come to the 2 chain of the previous round, the turning chain. I'm just going to work my double crochet into that space, and you can just work your double crochet into the second chain, and that's your pattern row. You just repeat it as many times as you want, and it makes up quite a nice chunky soft pattern. Looks like that, and it's reversible and it looks like that. Please do leave a comment or ask any questions. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.